Okay, it's another unboxing. Today I'm looking at the Looking Glass Portrait, a personal holographic on display. Now, there's an 8K version and a 4K version. This is the standard Looking Glass portrait. So I figure if this can impress me, and I find something good to do with it, I'll consider one of the higher end models. But in the meantime, this is probably more than I'll ever need. So say hello to your first personal holographic display, made with love, less than 3, by Looking Glass Factory. Okay, it says Look Glass there. I assume this is the display, so it tells you how to prop it up and do it there. So let's see here, what else do we have here? Box is a little cheap, but it gets the job done. Multiple ways to capture holograms. Yes, you can in fact do your own, but it has some demo content there, which is nice. Getting started, and what do we have here? We have a sticker, of course. Everybody's got to include a sticker. All right, all their socials, setup and viewing, and we have the let's see. Yep, just a standard USB-C, power brick, cleaning cloth, microfiber, of course, and this appears to be an HDMI cable. So, yeah, I believe, it's been a very long time getting this, since it was since the crowdfunding stopped. So, I don't remember, but I believe you can also use it as a display. So this is interesting. It has the screen or mirrors, I guess, recessed. So, and then this is the stand. Now, I didn't read the instructions on how to do it, so it's probably a reason why they show how to pull it out in the book here. But yeah, I'm not going to bother right this second. Let's see if I can power it on while everybody's here. So, again, I don't know what I'll be using this for, but obviously I'm the type of person that all types of tech and experimentation and technology entertainment fascinates me, and this is an inexpensive entry point. I've experimented with 3D scanning before. I wrote a feature article, I forget for who, on 3D scanning and printing, maybe 3 or 4 years back, one of the major publications. It's been a while. I still 3D print. I haven't done much with the 3D scanning anymore. There's only so many hours in a day, and I get distracted easily with this stuff. So this is my latest obsession. So let's see. Obviously a tripod mount, which makes sense. Buttons there, buttons there. I guess those are buttons, or maybe, not sure what those are. There's the USB-C there. There's, I don't know what that is. Maybe a speaker jack. The HDMI is there. So I don't know. Let's see if I can get this on, and maybe we can see it. And I bet that in the camera there's not going to be anything fascinating to see, but I want to see. So let's see. Oh, there's the light. Okay. So, ooh, that is fascinating. Okay. All right. Probably, again, not that exciting on camera, but it does look like a little bit of 3D smoke there. Okay. Yeah. Definitely has depth. It has like a screen door effect. Maybe that's a resolution thing, because you would get that on the early VR headsets. But yeah, it's definitely a convincing effect. It looks like, there's indeed smoky, wispy clouds on the inside. So let's see. Well, there we go. That's neat. That is definitely a 3D astronaut. He's doing the moonwalk. Let's see here. Maybe the moon jog. Maybe he's walking away from some type of explosion. Okay, that's a lady. It's interesting. The color is not great, but there's definitely a color. Oh wow. See, that actually looks great there. So she's speaking, but there's no sound. So, aha, these are some type of buttons. Aha, next, back. Okay, so they're capacitive touch, I imagine. That's pause, play. That's next and back. Yeah, that is neat. Wow. It kind of reminds me a little bit of lenticular pictures, but there's definitely something special going on here. There's the LED lights around the outside. Again, there's good depth there in the screen. It reminds me a bit of of an infinity mirror. I imagine it's similar to the type of thing. Now, I guess, and I'm not going to do it now because I want to end this video, but I imagine that this is a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Let's see what it says here. If indeed it plays sound. Audio out, yep, sure is. And it shows how you would do it with a PC or Mac. So yeah, okay, I'm suitably impressed here. Let me see. Make sure that the camera can see it before I sign off here. In case I was just blabbing and you couldn't really see much. So let's see. All right, it's there. Let me take this off a second here, and maybe it'll be a little easier to see. Let me see if I can pull this off. Ooh. Take your ginger now, your Dramamine. Okay. Let's see if I can get a little movement here, so you can see if we can get a little bit of the 3D effect on camera. Let's go to something else. Yeah, this one looks really good in person, so don't know how I would move it necessarily to let's see if I can get it focused here. Yeah, some things definitely look better than others. Not a perfect effect, but yeah, definitely a thing to experiment with. I feel like you're not going to really pick it up on camera. Seeing my stupid hand, I don't think helps, but ooh, there we go. All right. So hopefully I can do more coverage of this in the future, but this is the Looking Glass portrait, and it is neat and will definitely be fun to mess around with. Until next time, take care.